Hello everyone, Dr. Cho is here. Welcome to my formula class. Today, two formulas commonly used for acne treatment. First one is Qing An Tang and second one is Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang. All these two formulas are variation from Fang Feng Tong Shen San. And also Fang Feng Tong Shen San is commonly used for acne treatment. All these three formulas has very similar composition. First, let's take a look at Fang Feng Tong Shen San. Fang Feng Tong Shen San composed of three parts. First, releasing exterior part, and second, clearing heat part, and third, nourishing and tonifying in part. And actually, this nourishing part is a part of this clearing heat composition. By nourishing in, we can clear heat more efficiently. So this is Huangnian Jiedu Tang and this is Siu Tang. A little bit different. Shengdi Huang is removed and Huangnian is removed, and instead of Huang Bai, Lian Chao is added. So we can say this is just modified Huangnian Jiedu Tang, and this is a small tweak from Siu Tang. When you combine Siu Tang and Huangnian Jiedu Tang, it becomes Wen Qing Yin, commonly used formula for skin disease with severe heat. So nourishing in is a common strategy of quenching the fire. So this is like a fire hydrant, and Huangnian Jiedu Tang is like a fireman. So simply we can say Fang Feng Tong Shen San is composed of two parts, releasing exterior part and clearing heat part. In releasing exterior part, Jingjie, Fang Feng, Ma Huang, Jigeng, Bohe. In clearing heat part, Huangnian Jiedu Tang and Shi Gao Hua Shi clears stomach heat. So it may be a little bit of a stretch. We can think this is a Bai Hu Tang with Shi Gao, and Da Huang Mang Shao and Cheng Chi Tang. So both of them, both part, Shi Gao and Da Huang Mang Shao, treat Yangming heat, Yangming organ heat, and Yangming channel heat. So clear Yangming heat is a major part in Fang Feng Tong Shen San, and Bai Zhu remove dampness induced by inflammation. First prescription for acne, Qing An Tang, similar. Jingjie, Fang Feng, Bai Ji, Bohe. What is the difference? Instead of Ma Huang in Fang Feng Tong Shen San, we used Bai Ji instead of Ma Huang. And if you see here, Qing An Tang has Shengdi Huang, so more nourishing formula, and clearing heat too, Shengdi Huang. And in Qing An Tang, we have all these Huangnian Jiedu Tang. So Wen Qing Yin and releasing exterior herbs are Qing An Tang. But we do not have this part, clearing Yangming heat part. And instead of Bai Zhu, GK is added, but with a similar function, removing damp and stagnation. So Qing An Tang is a combination of releasing exterior herbs and Wen Qing Yin. The next one, Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang. Qing Xiang means clearing upper body heat, and Fang Feng is Jingjie Fang Feng, similar. Same release exterior herbs, and also Huangnian Jiedu Tang. In this case, Huang Bai is substituted by Lian Chao, and this is a common substitution because Huang Bai has less effect of clearing heat and subsiding inflammation, while Lin Chao is a very strong anti-inflammatory herb. But in this case, Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang do not have Siu Tang part. This is Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang. So this Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang is more focused on releasing exterior compared to Qing An Tang. And Qing An Tang has more nourishing in property than Fang Feng Tong Shen San. And Fang Feng Tong Shen San has very special part of herb clearing Yangming heat herbs. So when the patient have a constipation and thirst, this is the best formula among these three. Here is a comparison table of all these formulas, Fang Feng Tong Shen San and Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang and Qing An Tang. All these formulas have the part clearing heat and release exterior. And these are the herbs releasing exterior, very similar. Only Fang Feng Tong Shen San has Cheng Chi Tang and Shi Gao, clearing Yangming heat. And Qing Xiang Fang Feng Tang do not have Siu Tang. But Fang Feng Tong Shen San has Siu Tang except Sengdihuang. Qing'an has all Su Tang, not Sudihuang but Sengdihuang, because this is clearing heat formula. And Qingsan Fangfeng Tang and Qing'an Tang has Hangning Jedu Tang, but Fangfeng Tongsensan has only Huangqin. Today we talked about most important 3 formulas for treatment of acne. But all these formulas are based on Fangfeng Tongsensan. That means unless patients do not have excess heat, none of these formulas should not be used. Contraindicated. Thank you very much. See you later.